Ever wondered how intricate metal parts are made? Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of casting, a manufacturing process that has been instrumental in shaping our modern world. Casting is a process where a liquid material, often metal, pours into a mold. This mold has a hollow cavity of the desired shape, and once it solidifies, it gives us a complex shape that might be difficult or expensive to produce by other methods. However, casting isn't a one-size-fits-all process. Depending on the material, mold, and method used, there are different types of casting processes. Some common ones include sand casting, die casting, investment casting, and centrifugal casting. Each type of casting has its own advantages, disadvantages, and applications. Sand casting, for example, is great for large and low-cost parts, while die casting is used for high-volume and high-precision parts. Now, it's time to break down the basic steps involved in casting. First up, the preparation of the mold. The mold is made of a material that can withstand the high temperature and pressure of the molten metal, and has a cavity that matches the shape and size of the desired part. Next up, the melting of the metal. The metal is heated in a furnace until it reaches its melting point. The molten metal is then transferred to a ladle or a crucible, which is used to transport and pour the metal into the mold. Now comes the pouring. The molten metal is carefully poured into the mold through a sprue, which is an opening that connects the ladle or crucible to the mold cavity. After pouring, the metal requires time to cool and solidify in the mold. The cooling rate depends on several factors, such as the type of metal, the size and shape of the part, and the design of the mold. Finally, once the metal has solidified completely, the part is removed from the mold. The part may have some excess metal or defects that need to be trimmed or repaired. The part may also undergo further processing, such as heat treatment, machining, or finishing. And there you have it, a comprehensive look into the casting process. With this knowledge, you now have a better understanding of how intricate metal parts are made. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, keep exploring.